Welcome to this week's End User Snapshot review from BPO Media Research. From surveys of office technology users, we're getting real-time insight into their print, copy, and workflow habits and sentiments. Each week, we're sharing some of those survey results with you. Today, we're wrapping up diving into our question of how important or unimportant to your job is using a printer or copier. We wondered if there were any vertical market groups in which users see print and copying more important to their jobs than users in other vertical markets. Well, 90% of users in both K through 12 and higher education vertical markets said print and copying was important to their jobs, and 92% of those in the healthcare vertical said so. The next closest vertical market was financial and banking, where 77% of users said print and copying was important. That was followed by government and retail or wholesale verticals, which both had 60% of users saying it was important. This suggests that even with the increased use of electronic health records and more digital coursework in classrooms, printing documents remains an important part in both the education and healthcare verticals. That can be good news for imaging channel resellers who choose to put marketing and sales efforts toward these vertical markets. In the last 3 weeks, we've shared that print still seems to be important to many users of office technology, and its importance is higher in some vertical markets. But we also found that the importance of print and copy can vary based on the position a person holds in the company. Okay, that's a wrap for this review. There's a lot of other survey data we've gathered, including how users are using print and how their print habits are changing. I'll start sharing those findings next week. Until then, go to www.theimagingchannel.com and www.workflowotg.com to get the latest on what's really happening in the imaging channel and in workflow solutions. I'll see you next week.